Hello guys, welcome to DTW tutorials. Welcome. Okay, so today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can download your WASSCE 2020 syllabus. That's your WASSCE 2020 syllabus to start preparing for exams very well. Yes, even if the COVID-19 situation has locked down almost all countries around the world, and every school exam body has been postponed. This is time for you to put more effort to read, and your syllabus would help you in directing you on what topics to also read. And definitely, we at DTW tutorials, there are a lot of videos here that would also help you prep for your exams. All right, where you have your maths videos over 3 years that have been solved, 50 complete questions, 3 years from 2017, 2018, 2019, and also your core theory of 2018 solved. How to plot a graph, everything inside there solved and explained. So this is the time. You don't need to start watching movies now or just relax because everything has been postponed to further notice. This is the time to start preparing for your exams. And those maybe in Nigeria, and you took JAMB, for you to get admission into university, it's an addition of your JAMB results, your WAEC results, and also your post-UME results. So it's best you do well in your WAEC, okay? So to increase your chances of gaining admission into school. For some countries like Ghana, I think most of it's your WASSCE results. So it's best you sit down well and read well, okay? So how do you get this particular syllabus? Free download. Yeah, all right, all you need to do is go to the DTW tutorials blog. Just search DTW tutorials. Don't forget to add s.com. Okay, I will also leave the link in the video description box below. All right, and just here it is. You don't need to scroll too far. Okay, here it is. This is the WASSCE 2020 syllabus that will help you in guiding your reading to know how much you have covered, all right, in your various subjects. Okay, so just easy, do it on your phone. Just download, instant download. Just click and download all your topics from your government, English, Arabic, your languages and all that. Okay, so you download, and definitely there are some videos I just put in here for you to also watch. All right, okay, so that's how you get the free download of the WASSCE 2020 syllabus. Free, completely free, no stress. All right, and please make sure you share this video. You can share this on WhatsApp, on Facebook, to your friends, family, loved ones preparing for the WASSCE. All right, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, subscribe to our YouTube channel, please, for us to grow more. All right, please subscribe to support us to grow more and to do much more for you. All right, so thank you for everything, for subscribing and also clicking the notification bell to be instantly notified whenever I upload an educational video for you. As I've said, the 2019, I've solved the 2019. Yeah, this is it. Is this it? Where's 2019? Okay, I've not had this up here, but it's on the channel. 2019 is solved, complete. All right, the 50 questions complete. All right, so that would definitely help you in prepping for your WASSCE exam. All right, so thank you for staying tuned, and don't forget, Jesus Christ is coming soon. Give your life to Christ, for He is the way, is the truth, and the life. You are destined to win. See you in our next video.